Hi friends, we're back with the Irish Crochet Motif book. We're working pattern number 40 today. And I'm using a 3mm crochet hook to make the pattern. And the finished piece looks something like this. I am using bright orange padding cord just so that you can see what I'm doing. But please consider using the same colour padding cord as your overlay crochet yarn. Before we get into it, if you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, just so that it helps other viewers find my videos. Let's now get into it. We're going to start off by securing our yarn and chaining 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slip stitch or single crochet into the first chain space like this. We're now going to do 16 single crochets in this center ring. We're going to slip stitch into the first chain space. We've got this center that we're going to build upon now. We're now going to join our padding cord. I'm going to just slip it through like this and chain 1, and we're going to do 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 triple crochet, so that was 2, third double crochet, half double crochet and a single crochet. So that's our first petal there, and we are going to go into the next chain and slip stitch like that, and now we're going to go into the next chain, slip stitch, and we are going to make this another 7 times. So we need 8 petals in total. So when you finish your petal, you will slip stitch into the next space, then slip stitch into the next space, and then make your next petal there. So you're leaving a chain in between each petal. I'm going to crack on with this off camera, and then I'll come back and show you what we're going to do next. We're going to start to add petals behind the work that we've done so far. We need 3 petals in total. So to start off with, we're going to do a single crochet on the padding cord, half double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2, 3 triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 double crochet, a half double crochet, and then a single crochet, and we are going to skip 2 petals and slip stitch behind or in between the second and the third petal like this. So we've got this in the background popping out like that. We need to do another 2 of these big petals. So we're gonna do 1 and slip stitch here, do another 1 and slip stitch here. So again, I'm gonna crack on with that off camera, then I'm gonna come back and show you what to do next. So your work should be looking something like this with the 3 addition of petals behind. We've got 2 petals remaining. We need to now end up in the middle of the 2 petals, so I'm just going to slip stitch between those 2 petals, taking the padding cord with me. We now need to do 20 single crochets on the padding cord to make the stem. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So I'm gonna just pull the stem just to straighten it out, and this is the final finished piece. It is quite pretty. what I would recommend is please do a little bit of give in the back, just to ensure that the back petals are actually visible in behind these first row of petals that we made. I've kept mine a little bit tight, but if I were to make it again, I'd keep the padding cord a little bit loose at the back. So that's the completed pattern of motif number 40 from the Irish Crochet book. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Please like, comment and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything too, but it means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye bye.